some time ago, Atlassian announced change 2046 deprecation of JQL search and evaluate expression endpoints in like end of last year. And what it means, they have created new and better approach how to perform JQL search in cloud. But that means also that actually like 22 days ago, all the endpoints were supposed to be removed. Fortunately, they aren't removed yet. But what I wanted to show, May 1st. What I wanted to show what changed in the API, because if you look at the list of parameters for the API is almost the same, except one little parameter. Previous APIs you were able to call using pagination, providing like I want to start from 0, from 100, for 1000, and you can get results. But in the new API, it's cursor-based pagination, which means you get the page, and only when you get the page, you can see whether there will be next page and how to get that next page. If we visualize it a bit so that deprecated API works like this, you can just request any amount of pages in parallel you would like and process those data. But with the new API, you can do it only sequentially, get one page after another, and that way you are not able to parallelize it, and also it was quite challenging in eazyBI for us to remake this process, but we did it, and without large issues. Also, it's already more than around months in production. But that's simple things. Easy is about that you can import directly Jira import, but complex things you can create your own REST API imports to add additional data. And some of our customers have done it, creating REST API imports using those search APIs. And the issue is that at some point Atlassian will remove all the endpoints, and all existing will need to be changed. So what will change? It's basically new endpoint, and we don't have any more this start at parameter, and it will be now, as we saw, next page token. Next page token, and already we added support for it in eazyBI, and the keyword for it is next page, so we replace with next page, and remove limit we can add ourselves, and actually like previous search worked like around 100-200 items per page. Now actually it can work up to 5000. Let's try the maximum. But we need also to change pagination parameters, because previously we provided this information. Now we change to next page URL, where there is a new parameter, next page parameter. We provide that this information will be taken from the next page token value, and this time it should be stored in the body. Authentication the same, JavaScript, all the results will be the same, so we can try out how it works. Oh, it didn't work. Let's check documentation. Let's check documentation of the new API. What could be wrong? We just got one field, maybe something to do with fields. And yes, we see the default is ID. So the new API by default only returns ID field. And to get all fields, we need to add additionally that we need to return all fields. So back to eazyBI. And let's add another parameter, fields, and it will be array containing one value, all. Or if you don't need all fields and just need some specific default or custom fields, you can provide that in theory should work faster, because not all fields will be needed to query. Let's try now. And will it work? Yeah. Now it took a bit longer because we requested all fields, but they are here. And yeah, I don't have 5,000 issues in this project, so I can't check whether they were returned in one row, but nothing else changes. We change the definition, and import will be performed as previously. The same date structures, only the issue that you can't do parallel requests. All requests should be performed sequentially. Yeah, imported. That's all. Any question?
Thank you, that was useful. Will this change in Jira REST API affect also the data center? Maybe you know.
I don't have answer, but I think no, because it's yeah.
Well, that won't change.
Okay, thank you.